Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to zip videos in iPhone. Let's start! So just like in my other video tutorials on how to zip files and how to zip photos, pretty much it's the same thing on how you're going to zip videos. So videos are also like heavy files, guys, and for you to send this to, other recipients, it's advisable that you need to zip or compress just to make sure that you'll be able to save, the size of the file. So how it's done is first you need to go to your Files app. Just hit on this one. Say for instance that you cannot find it. Just go to your app library. I'll use it in my search engine. Just hit on or type Files app, and then you could locate that. And then next is you need to choose which location. So in my case, I'll choose iCloud Drive. So say for example, I know exactly where to go. Say for instance, I would search for a video. Okay, so this one is a video file. So all I need to do is just press the file, then hold it, and you will be able to see an option here to compress. If you want to do that, basically it's gonna create like a zip file, and then from there that's how how you would be able to send to your recipient where it is already a zip file. In case you forgot how it's done, guys, you could definitely go to support.apple.com, and then there are ways for you to zip your files, so you could just search it from here. So I think that's pretty easy, very straightforward. And if you want to learn more about iPhone, guys, you could always subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.